Dear students, in the second part of role of banks in economic development, we are going to see the role of industrial banks in economic development. So there are banks which are known as industrial banks, and their specific focus is to give assistance in industrial development. And in India, the well-known industrial development bank is IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India. So that particular bank is a well-known bank in India that provides assistance to assistance in the direction of industrial development. If we see the major roles that an industrial bank plays in the economic development, we can say that they provide technical and administrative assistance for promotion, management and expansion of industry, and thus performing promotion and development functions. Again, they grant loans and advances to industrial concerns. The bank guarantees loans raised by industrial concerns in the open market from the state cooperative banks, the scheduled banks, the Industrial Finance Corporation of India, and other notified financial institutions. In India, the IDBI is a leader, coordinator, and innovator in the field of industrial financing in our country. And its major activity is confined to financing, developmental, and coordination and promotional functions in the industrial development. Planning, promoting, and developing industries with a view to fill the gaps in the industrial structure by conceiving, preparing, and floating new projects is the role that is played by the industrial banks in an economy. The industrial banks have also helped in the formation of new companies and new industrial enterprises. They have shown particular interest in the development of small scale industries and setting up of these small scale industries by Small Industries Development Fund and National Equity Fund, etc. The industrial banks also give long-term loans to manufacturers and entrepreneurs so that they can develop their industrial activities, enterprises. And it has been found that in case of IDBI, they have also introduced a single window assistance scheme for grant of long-term loans and working capital assistance to new and tiny and small scale enterprises. So thus we see that the industrial banks, overall all the banks, they help in the economic development. However, the industrial banks, they play an important role in the industrial development, establishment of new industries in an economy, and thereby they help in the economic development of a country. Thank you.